So welcome again guys, read the disclaimer. So finally today we got actual difference between modified and original versions. Like original version fetch good amount of profit, you can say around 6% of the profit on this capital requirement, while the modified version ended in loss, small amount of 1.2% loss. So I actually told you guys also in this series first or second video also that original version is very high risk and high reward, while this modified version having less risk and less reward. So, and as obviously market is totally in downtrend as per the intraday this strategy, because it most of the time of the day it remains below these 3 moving averages on 5-minute time frame. So we didn't get any call side entry, as you all can see from this chart. So let's check this modified version trades. So it took a trade around 11:25, its first entry on put side, and where 1:1 is booked at around 11:30 within 5 minutes, and after that its final leg which is SL cost to cost exited at around 11:45. Then again it took second entry in same strike at around 12 o'clock, and it exited with SL around 12:10. So let's check this both the end, this 11:25 and 12. So we are on the chart. So as you can see at 11:20 candle we moved below this RSI 40 level. After all this for all this time RSI was already below 40 level, right? And then it again crossed above 40 and then again crossed below 40. So here on 11:20 candle our condition got satisfied, and it is our trigger candle as well. So from chart only you can see that SL is very small, like 47 points only, and ATR is also at around 54.11, so no need to calculate, and 1:1 got booked early within 5 minutes only, right? Here 1:1 got booked and another lot might have exited somewhere around here when our option price went below this entry price. So by that time our SL was already moved to cost, right? Then again somewhere around here it again took entry. So around 12 o'clock it again took entry. The candles are very small that I have to zoom a little bit. So as you can see RSI crossed above 40 and then again crossed below 40 on this candle, this 11:55 candle. So and which is basically our trigger candle as well. So we entered around, I don't think we need to calculate the range, right? SL and entry range, it's a mere 29 points only, and ATR was already at 48 level. So we entered and immediately within 10 minutes our SL got hit, right? Because SL was on this candle high, so it got hit. And after that if we would have kept third entry also, then we might have got the entry here, but that's it. Rule is a rule, right? So you need to decide beforehand only that what are the entry rules and what are the strategy rules, and you need to stick to that. We can't change all these rules based on some 1 or 2 days results, right? So you need to keep that the longer time frame in your mind before entering to any strategy with live trade. So yes, these are all about modified version. So let's check the original strategy version. So original strategy entered immediately at 9:21 in morning only, and its first lot which is 1:1 risk reward wise target booked at around 9:45, and another lot which is SMA close above SMA and is hit at around 11:20, as you can see. So let's check this. Okay, so first candle only we crossed below RSI 40, right? Our 9:15 candle. So let's check the, and it is highest high between these two candles. So let's check the SL and our ATR range. So SL is of around 213 point and ATR was at 66. So you need to calculate 66 into 2.3. So our modified version range of SL comes to 151 point, while the original SL here was 230, and due to that our 1:1 risk reward target was also big, like it got hit at around this candle, I think of 950 candle, and after that another leg got booked at, so we booked our first lot in this candle and another lot got booked at 1120 after this 1115 candle closed above SMA 10, right? And as you know, we didn't get any call side entry. So this is it, guys, and let's check the max loss and max profit also for today's. So in modified version, max profit went up to 2400 and max loss, which is I think got booked at 2500, and in original version max profit went up to 15,000, max loss went only up till 2,000 only. So I can say that this kind of market is a dream market for these kind of strategies, moving average based strategies, because once market stabilizes and becomes sideways volatile, then you have to be prepared to give something which you have already earned from the strategy while the trades were trending, right? So then you will have to face the drawdown also. Let's check results up till now of the original version. So it has provided us around 20k of profit. This result does not include today's profit, which is of 13,000. So actual profit is 33,000 in these 9 sessions which we are doing of comparison video. And in the original, in the modified version, I guess we started from 41st counter. So it has provided the profit of, let me calculate. So from 41st counter to this 49th counter, it have provided the profit of around 15.4k. This share code is already provided to you guys, so you can yourself also check this. And I guess till Thursday I'll try to make this strategy videos, this comparison video of Kalashnikov till I guess Thursday or Friday max to max. After that I'll stop uploading these Kalashnikov videos, right? Because by that time I guess our purpose of making these videos is already clear to you guys, and already you might have made up your mind to make strategy which is suitable with your psychology, right? So this is it, guys. Thank you.